Hello and welcome to another edition of Marketing Waves on this Friday, the 2nd of July. So we've got 4th of July weekend coming up. And also, coincidentally, we have the non-farm payroll figure for today as well, later in the American session. The expectations are 700,000 new jobs to be added so far. This could go up or down as the afternoon progresses. However, it is a good figure. Better for the last two periods as well, but the last two periods we did get a miss on expectations as well, so the dollar wasn't really favorable to trade on in a long position, let's say, for the last two NFPs. So we'll see what the opportunities are looking at the Elliott Waves as well today. And so I just want to focus on the dollar, euro dollar and the dollar index as well. As we go into the last day of the week. So, we've had this leading diagonal completed here. Now we're coming down in the WXY. I spoke about this in the last Elliott Wave. We're just looking to see the Y come down to roughly about 78.6 of the Fibonacci retracement here, which is a nice confluence of the Fibonacci extension of waves W and X here. So as you can see now, I was looking before on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then possibly a move higher and a move lower. But this could actually be a 1, 2, 3 to complete C of Y of intermediate wave 2. We're just waiting to see further signals and clues for this confirmation. But still waiting for this to drop down to getting ever closer to this region here. And then we could see, a move up, down to complete intermediate wave 2, or higher to go to 3 straight away. So just waiting to see what kind of signals we've got before that. Obviously, if we fall below the 100% here, then this would probably be invalid, and we'd look for another structure at the time. It could be the fact that this shifts over to here, and then we start another multi-structural move to the upside on top of that. So just waiting to see what the potentials are in that respect. If we just take a look at the signals as well, nothing too much in the way. We had these other signals in the previous session to come down, bearish signals, which have actually looked like they've been activated. And we're just waiting now to see a few more signals to push higher and go a bit further upwards. There is probably, you could say, another bearish signal there, but we'll see if it comes into fruition shortly. Same as the MACD as well, just slightly on that side. So interesting times as we roll into the American session shortly as well. DXY as well, on the other hand, we're just looking to see what's happening. We had this move here. Now we're going to the multi-structural move higher in the minor degree for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like 4 has completed now at this 100%, and now we're looking for a move higher. We've crossed the 161.8, probably going up to the 232, which is the Fibonacci extension of these waves here. Oops. Just make sure that you can see that properly. So probably moving up to the mid 93 region to complete minor wave 5 of, say, a primary wave 4. So that is still looking like this scenario at the moment. In that respect, we've seen that wave 3 is the biggest, it's bigger than wave 1, most probably going to be bigger than wave 5 as well. So that's quite an advantageous look on the multi-structural impulse to the upside, and then we'll see if wave C is finishing at that particular level as well. So still on the cards for that, and obviously still looking for a buoyant US index if the LFP figures do come into fruition, which I've been keeping an eye on all week because they have been changing slightly, but always been on the positive side for the last month, which was 559,000 jobs added. So if we've got to think about 700,000 jobs added, it is quite a positive figure as well. So we're just waiting to see what is happening there. And signals, Well, we've got this quite large bearish signal here on both MACD and the RSI. So again, just looking to see what the potentials are. We're looking maybe for a slight correction there. So it could come down, and then we expect a move higher to complete this leg here. So we'll just wait and see. Basically, for the American session when it opens, obviously it's not just the NFP, it's the unemployment rate as well, and the balance of trade. That all comes out at the same time. So a few significant factors there. Average earnings as well, hourly earnings are coming out as well. So very big day for America, and for to see where we are with the structural charts as well on the Elliott Waves. So that's all from the Elliott Wave Marketing Waves today. As usual, if you've got any queries or suggestions or any other moves you'd like to contemplate, please feel free to add them to the post, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So have a great trading day ahead, and have a great weekend ahead, and bye for now.